Hello and welcome to Tech Talk with Ritesh. In today's video, I am going to talk about Maven Archetype project for AEM. So, what is Maven Archetype? So, basically, we need to run one command, and it will create a default skeleton for your project. Skeleton means, for example, if you see this, we have a core module, we have a UI apps module, we have a configuration module. Core module is where you will put all your Java configuration files. UI apps where you will put functional components, templates, etc. So there are other modules as well. So using just one command, it will create a default structure, folder structure for us with the pom.xml already configured, and then we can deploy it on our AEM, and then we can have add more functional components, templates, and configuration services, etc. to it. So I will just let you know as in how can we create a Maven archetype project. What we have to do, we have to just search for Maven archetype. Okay. And then you will find this URL. Just open it. We have to copy this command and then we have to run it. So what I will do on here only, maybe I will create another folder here. Okay, I will open command prompt in admin mode. And I will go to this path. Yeah, and after this I have already copied. I just need to run this full command. Before that, just make sure you have Maven set up on your machine. It will take some time because it will download all the dependencies. Yeah, and after this is done, if you notice on the same, on the same file system, we will have this folder structure created. Now how can we just deploy this Maven archetype to your AEM application? So what we can do, I will just to show you an example on this site only, as in this location only. We'll run Maven commands. I will just run Maven clean. Oh, I just need to go to that folder, basically my site. Then it was trying to find bomb.exe, and then Maven install. Yeah, this time it will download all the dependencies. Let's wait for some time. This is done. Now I will explain you how can we install package as well as bundle. So what we have to open is CRX package manager. It's CRX/pack mgr. Okay, let me open Firefox. I have some issue with the Chrome. Let me open Firefox. Let me open localhost 4502 CRX pack mgr. Okay, and this is my site. I need to install UI apps, basically this package. Click on upload package, browse to the path, upload the zip file and install it. So this is the way we install package. Now I will just explain how can we install bundle. System console. Okay, package is where I have functional components, templates, etc. And bundle is basically the jar file with a manifest, and it's basically Java services, Java files. Okay, inside core I am having my bundle. I will just upload it. Done. If you open CRXD now, yes, so the code whatever was there in my site, now it's there in CRXD. Components, client library, everything is there. So this is how we create a Maven project using Maven archetype for AEM, and then this is the way we install the bundle as well as package to the AEM. So that's it in this video. Thank you so much.